Good evening students, welcome back in our art session. In previous session we had completed design, we have completed drawing and we have completed color work also. Today again we will see design, but today we will see another shape. Last session we had seen the hand fan and today we will see bag. So first we will write our topic name. Design on bag. Okay. Then here we'll draw vertical bag. So there will get more space for drawing. Okay. So here we'll take 20 by 20. Here upside first we'll leave some space for handle. Okay. We'll draw 20 by 18 centimeter bag. See, I have drawn here one rectangle shape. Okay, if you want you can show there little bit changes, means here you can show there or you can show there more curve shape downside, and upside show there handle. Okay, so this way our back drawing is ready. Now here we'll draw shapes. Okay, for shapes we will use natural shapes or we can use the geometrical shapes also. Okay, so whatever design I'm showing, that is the my idea. You have to show your own idea suitable to your bag. Okay, so here I'm showing design. I'm using natural shape. You can use any shape and create design for your bag. If you are getting confused how to show shape, which shape can take there, so left side you can try different shapes, but size should be same, 20 centimeter by 18. Okay, so in this rectangle little bit changes you can show. So this way down part is ready. Okay, now here empty space is there, so this part also will cover. Very simple way you will show their design. Now handle. For the handle you can show the repetition, only flowers, only leaves, butterfly shape, whatever circles we drawn here, those circles also you can show here. So this way students you will complete your design. This is my idea. Okay, now we'll rub this extra part. You can keep in rectangle, proper rectangle shape also if you want, or you can give this shape, little bit curve shape. Okay students, this way our design is ready. Okay, so this way you will use any shape, any natural shape, any geometrical shape, and you will complete your design. You can show in middle any one particular shape, means like a bird, and related things means like cloud. You can show there. You can show different types of fish here. Then curve line like a sea. So this way you can show curve lines also. Okay, and then you will complete your work. You should show your own design. This is the example for design on bag. You should complete by your design only. Okay, and then you will color it. Whatever colors you want you can use, but use only watercolor, no crayons, no sketch pens. Afterwards you can give outline with black sketch pen, but only watercolor, tube color or cake color. Okay, I'll show some designs so you will get idea how to do the here left side. I'm showing some examples. Okay, so it will be clear what to do. So for height take 20 and width 18, right? So this, so here you can show there little bit changes in your bag shape. Okay, this 20 and this 18. So this way you can show changes. And then in middle create any design, a related design this side. So this way also you can show. Or again first you will draw rectangle 20 by 18, only one side, show their shape. This way you can show shape. Then here with lines you can create design. Then here one bird shape or any another shape. So this way also you can create design. Here create design, here fish shape, So whatever design you want, you can show there. These are the examples. Okay, select anyone which you want and then show on your main page. Okay student, so next period I will not show you color work. You have to color your own. Okay, which colors you want, use there. Watercolor or poster color. No crayons, no sketch pen. Afterwards you can use black sketch pen for the outline. Okay, so this way you can complete your design. Okay, suitable to your paper. Don't draw one side, show it middle only, and then complete neatly, show their color work also. Okay, and submit it on given date and day. Thank you student, take care.